Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping the XM5. Charge the headphones to a healthy level, at least 30 minutes for a first quick setup. Once charged, press and hold the power button 3-4 seconds until the LED flashes blue. That puts the headset in pairing mode. Make sure you install the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone because the app lets you fine-tune noise canceling, EC, and firmware updates, so do that now before pairing. Once your phone's Bluetooth is open, select WH1000XM5 from the device list and confirm pairing. You'll hear a voice prompt. After pairing, open the Sony app to check for firmware updates and enable LDAC or AAC depending on your device for higher quality audio, LDAC if supported. Then configure ambient sound levels and adaptive sound control so the headphones react to movement and location. Make sure touch controls are set to your preference because you'll use them constantly. To finish, adopt practical daily habits. Use active noise canceling in busy environments and switch to ambient sound when you need announcements or conversations. If you want two-device connectivity, enable multi-point in settings. If connections conflict, disconnect one device and repair the other to resolve it. If the headphones misbehave, try a reset by holding power plus the NC button for 10 seconds. If that fails, perform a factory reset in the app. This clears pairs and often fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.